Okay, here's the Ambassdor Magma back together again. Put a link to the inside video if you haven't watched it. This is just a demo of it being completed, putting the two D-cell batteries, which modern D-cells way more than what the toy was designed for. And that can be a problem from time to time. Alright. Maybe I'll pull the blind, see if you can see the headlight up there. I still have a bright overhead room light on. Let's turn camera light off. And because the head's supposed to light up, and it does. Yeah, it's got a bit of a lurch when he walks, but still the original wheels. But it's running smooth, got the arm movement. I'm not really sure you can hope for a whole lot more. Yeah, wheels are all free. They are hard plastic wheels and not rubber wheels, which doesn't help the toy at all. In fact, it was kind of an unusual build on the wheels on the rear ones. There's actually three parts. The center wheel itself was one mold, and then the part that are the ratchet teeth, that's a second part that just pushes against that. And then there's a spacer one that's the same size as the ratchet one, just no ratchet teeth, that pushes on the other side. And the axle fits tight into all three of those parts once it's pinned in place. I've never seen wheels designed that way on a tin toy before. It was quite unusual. At any rate, it seems quite stable. It stands well, so straightening out that main pivot leg axle on the linkage seemed to have fixed things up quite well.